Lists in Python. Lists offer a way to store multiple items in a single variable. This versatile feature of Python is useful in scenarios where you need to store and manipulate a series of data, such as student scores, names of employees, or daily temperature readings. Let's begin by creating a simple list. A list is declared by enclosing a comma-separated sequence of objects in square brackets. Here, numbers is a list that holds a series of integers. Lists in Python are not limited to a single data type. A single list can contain different types of data, like strings, integers, or even other lists. In mixed list, we've combined an integer, a string, and another list into a single list. Accessing items in a list is straightforward. You use the index of the item. The index is a number that refers to the position of an item. Python lists are zero-indexed, meaning the first item is at index 0. Getting index 0 of numbers gives the first item in numbers. You can also modify elements in a list, which showcases their mutable nature. Here we change the first element of numbers to 10. Python also has built-in methods to manipulate lists. For example, the append method allows you to add an item at the end of the list. In this example, we add the number 6 to the end of our numbers list using append. You can also use remove to remove a specific value from a list. If you want to know how many items you have in a list, use the len function. If you want to access elements from the end of a list, use negative numbers. Here -1 refers to the last item, and -2 would refer to the second to last item, and so on. Python lists offer a versatile way to store and manipulate series of data. They are simple to create, easy to modify, and come with powerful built-in methods. As you continue your Python journey, explore more list methods like insert, pop, and sort. You will also encounter list comprehensions, a powerful feature that allows you to create a list in a single line of code. Keep experimenting and exploring.